Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Language milestones. Vocalizes by 6 to 8 weeks of age, cooing or musical vowel sounds by 3 months of age, monosyllables by 6 months of age, babbling by 6 months of age, bisyllables language milestones by 9 months of age, imitate sounds from native language by 10 months of age, that is first meaningful sound is by 10 months of age, 2 to 3 words with meaning by 1 year of age, and jargons by 15 months of age. Jargons are the 4 to 10 words, meaning the sentences, not sentences, 4 to 10 words with meaning are jargons by 15 months of age. Sentences by 2 years of age, uses pronouns by 2 years of age, tells a story or song or poem by 4 years of age. Social milestones.
thank you and thank you for watching.